Hello guys, Abdul here. This is the Ender 3D printer that I just assembled last week. I don't have time to do anything to the printer. I just assemble it and keep it for up to a week now in the house. And now I'm just decided to do a video on how to do your first print with a 3D printer. Actually, I can say this is my real I've had a toy 3D printer before, but it's not. It's a very small 3D printer pre-assembled, and it doesn't really teach me much. And this is a new experience for me. So first, what you have to do is after assembling the 3D printer, so we just want to make sure we do the bed leveling. So we're going to level the bed. So what we got to do is we have to switch it on here from the switch. Uh, I'll show you in a moment. The 3D printer is switched on. Just taking it here in a moment. Okay. So after we switch it on, we press this on button. So we go to prepare. Now, before you do anything, you need to set it to auto home. As you can watch, the 3D printer is going to home position now. So it's well, it's beginning fine. I just hope it's finished fine as well. Now that it's home, ready, so we have to go back again. Then I'm gonna show you how it goes. Go back again to prepare steppers. Then you disable the steppers. Now that you take the steppers, then you can off the machine, and then we can set do the bed leveling manually, because this kind of printer, the bed leveling is done manually. There are some 3D printers that the bed leveling is automatic, but in terms of Ender 3 or Ender 3 Pro, it has to be done manually. And then so I'm gonna switch it off now. Then we do the leveling. When you want to do the bed level, you get a thin sheet of paper. Then, since we've already disabled steppers, we get to move this one up manually. So we'll place it at each edge here. You see, you make sure that it just slides, the paper just slides underneath, and there's a little barely touching the edge of the needle of the nozzle. There's going to be a little resistance here. As you can see, there's too much space between it. Then you can just adjust it here. That's too much. The paper can't slide in. You just place it at a place where you can feel some little resistance. Then you move it to the other side. You place your thin sheet of paper as well. Do some little adjustment. You move. You do that in all the edges. You go back again to the beginning. Slide the paper through. Go around again to check if it's leveled. Yes, leveled. Go back. You have to do this several times until you get, until you get it right. It doesn't matter how much you do it. Now it's done, right? Now the bed leveling has been completed. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to say try to load the filament. Okay. This is the this is where we're going to load the filament. It is the stepper motor that is gonna we're gonna load the filament here, and from here it goes to the extruder. So this is the filament that comes with the 3D printer. It's not much, just to make a couple of prints. So now that I got the filament removed, then you just take the edge here. This also came with a 3D printer. Then you cut it like this so that it can go into the nozzle. Yeah, cut it sharp here like a knife edge here. Just cut at an angle here, and that's it. So all we're gonna do is there's this here, it's up here. We get to press this one down like this. Then we load in the filament. Then we release. And that's it. And put it at the top here. And let's see how it goes. So I'm now back to my computer now. I'm trying to bring it down. Okay. This is the card reader that came with the 3D printer, and also it has memory card. So let's see what's in the memory card. Then I can see if I can get some G file. I'm trying to download Cura here by Ultimaker. It's what I'm gonna use. So allow. Just finish downloading Cura by Ultimaker. So it's loading now. Then let's check what's in the. Just slide it in to my USB. Okay. So I'm just gonna press agree. So it wants this is Cura. So we have to add printer to know the kind of printer we're using. Yeah, I'm using Ender 3 Pro, so I'm going to check here. Clear. Let's see. Key. It is coming here. I'll go for creativity then. Creativity 3D. So under creativity Ender 3, so we go for creativity 3D Pro. This is the printer I'm using. Now I've had the printer, and here you press next. So this is the page of the Cura now. This is the page we're gonna write the G code here. Yeah, we can also do some basic settings here, but I'm not gonna work on that now. We are using PLA, the nozzle size 0.4 mm. So we're just gonna make our first print now, and the next print we have to adjust the settings. So I'm gonna take a look at the my flash drive. Let's go in here. So I'm going to take a look at the flash drive here. Okay. This is the USB that comes with the so you can see here it has the user manual is here, the software and drive, troubleshooting, model, cat G code, dog G code, operation video. Let's do something like let's see what the cat G code is. Gonna okay, let's take a model instead. I'm gonna take because I'm gonna test this, so I'm gonna take Miss STL monkey. Let's take Miss STL file. I want to see how it's gonna be like Miss STL file. Just download the tree. I'm gonna put it here so you can see. Now this is what we are trying to slice. This is the Miss STL file. We can decide to if it needs support, addition. These are other custom but I'm not going to do anything to it now. Just going to leave it. We can also decide to turn it around, but I'm not interested in that now. So let me see. Yeah, if you want to turn it around, yeah, you can see here. Just go to, if I do like this, I can flip it around. I can turn it from side to side. Then can do so many features with it, but I don't think I'm interested in that now. So just going to put it back to how it was. So let's flip it back here. Just Yeah, good. I want to set it to the middle position. It's taking much time to. Yeah, good. So this is it. Um, so we have to slice it now. Slice. So slicing. So I have to save it. It's gonna take 1 hour to print. 1 hour 6 minutes, 6 minutes. So eject. So I'm just going to eject it now, and I'm going to take it to the 3D printer to see how it looks. Now we're going to start the print. So there is a place here. You place the SD card. I think we can insert it like don't know. Okay. I think we're gonna insert SD card like this. Now the SD card is inserted, so we go to the settings here, print from PF, and this is the mains G code. So we said print, and we have to wait. It's gonna take 1 hour 6 minutes to finish printing. So let's wait till it starts. The bed is eating, so when it starts printing, then we should see how it comes out. Now we're gonna start the print. So there is a place here. You place the SD card. I think we can insert it like don't know. Okay. I think we're gonna insert SD card like this. Now the SD card is inserted, so we go to the settings here, print from PF, and this is the mains G code. So we said print, and we have to wait. It's gonna take 1 hour 6 minutes to finish printing. So let's wait till it starts. The bed is eating, so when it starts printing, then we should see how it comes out. Now we're gonna start the print. So there is a place here. You place the SD card. I think we can insert it like don't know. Okay. I think we're gonna insert SD card like this. Now the SD card is inserted, so we go to the settings here, print from PF, and this is the mains G code. So we said print, and we have to wait. It's gonna take 1 hour 6 minutes to finish printing. So let's wait till it starts. The bed is eating, so when it starts printing, then we should see how it comes out. Now we're gonna start the print. So there is a place here. You place the SD card. I think we can insert it like don't know. Okay. I think we're gonna insert SD card like this. Now the SD card is inserted, so we go to the settings here, print from PF, and this is the mains G code. So we said print, and we have to wait. It's gonna take 1 hour 6 minutes to finish printing. So let's wait till it starts. The bed is eating, so when it starts printing, then we should see how it comes out. Now it wants to start printing. The bed has heat up to 60 degrees. I'm really excited right now. This is the first print I'm gonna do with this. I've not used a 3D printer of this scale before, so I'm just really excited to see how it comes out. You could see it's going round now, making the leveling itself. I just hope it comes out well, because this is the first printing. I know I need to adjust some settings later on, but mm, mm, okay, let's see how it comes. Hey guys, initially I was having problem with the printing. I couldn't get the PLA material to stick to the print bed, so I did a lot of effort, but almost impossible. Okay, then I decided to. I know I fitted the print bed well, so I know it's not the problem of the print bed. So, and I decided to um, change the software. This time around, I used the um, creativity sliding software that came with the printer, and voila, it start printing well. And now you can see uh, the the material is really adhering to the print bed. Also, I didn't use the G code that came with the printer. I use a personal G code of mine that I have before. So, and let's see what's gonna happen. This 3 print is gonna last for like 10 hours. So we get to see how it's gonna come out, and I'm gonna share the video with you. Okay guys, it took about 11.5 hours to print, and I finished the 3D printing. I went to sleep actually while it was printing, and when I woke up this morning, it has finished. There's good news and bad news. The good news is we have a very good print. The bad news is um, the filament that came with the printer is not enough. It's just a little filament, so it's not able to finish the print here. At the cap here, yeah, there's not much enough filament to fill the cap, but nevertheless, the purpose of this video is just to make my first print with this 3D printer and to see how it comes, and hopefully I'm going to do more uh, videos about 3D printing. This is my first video about 3D printing. I will wish to do more about it, and also I have to use the 3D printer for my videos project actually. So now I got a spatula here, so I'm gonna take it out here now. Just to take the model out. Oh, doesn't need a spatula. It breaks off easily. The model breaks off easily, doesn't need a spatula. So these are the brim. Just take it off. Now smooth finish, and these are the supports. So the support break off easily. I've done that. Okay. Initially, I was having problem with the software. I didn't get my uh, model to fit to the print bed. I just later realized that it is the software, the slicing software that has a problem. So I had to change to the software that came with the printer, Creativity 3D slicing software. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to use Cura again next time, but I don't know why I'm not so successful with Cura with this printer. But I'm still going to do some research on it. Okay, you can see this is the picture. This is the print that I made from this 3D printer. This is Baby Groot. No, the first. This is Baby Yoda from from Star Wars. If you could remember, there is this actually tab that the filament got finished couldn't complete it. This is a very nice print, smooth, well made, and very strong. There's an inscription here saying, let me see what the description here said. Seek is seeking. Okay, no, you want whatever. Yeah, it said. Yeah, here it said, what you seek is seeking is seeking. Is what you okay? What you seek is seeking you. That isn't hard, isn't it? Because of the color is white, I'm gonna take off the light. It's dim the light a little bit, making this too bright. Yeah. Now we can see it clearly here. It's not much reflection now. So, seek what you seek. Whatever is written there. Don't know what the meaning of it. Yeah. What you seek is seeking you. Okay. What you seek is seeking you. So this is a very good print. I'm really impressed with this printer. It does a very good job. Although initially I couldn't get it to start well because I couldn't get my print on a stick bed. Despite I have leveling and applying glue stick, but when I changed the software, I got a very decent print. It's a nice work. I'm gonna make more video concerning this 3D printing. Okay, guys, subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to press the notification button. And 3D printer is cool, you know. For guys who doesn't know what a 3D printer is, a 3D printer is just like a machine or a robot, modern technology where you can use to print anything. You see, this is what I print from this 3D printer, and it's a nice one. I wanted to post a video concerning how I assembled this 3D printer, but while making the video, I missed some part because I didn't know, because I'm using my mobile phone for the recording, so I didn't know that it's not recording at the moment, and so many parts were missing, and I feel like don't feel so inclined to post the video. But if you really want the video, you can on how I do it. Although some part of missing, you can just let me know in the comments, and I'm gonna post the video as well. Okay, guys. Oh shit. Okay, guys. Bye.